rosemary-martini or Rosa-Tini. What we're gonna do to start out is I have some fresh rosemary sprigs. I'm going to kind of strip them. Is that what it's called? Strip
yes, you strip the herb, yep.
And put it in the bottom of a cocktail shaker. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of, this is just olive brine. Anyway, so I put a little olive brine in there so that I'm going to muddle this rosemary, and it has a little bit of liquid to muddle into. And then, as you would with a classic martini, you're gonna do 3-to-1 dry vermouth to gin. So we're making 2 martinis. So I'm gonna put 2 shots of dry vermouth in there. And then a whole lot of gin, because it's 2 martinis in this little cocktail shaker. I don't think this is gonna fit, but we're gonna give it a shot. Oh, a couple of shots, actually.
I was just gonna say, no, you're gonna give it a couple of shots, honey.
If you guys were counting, I may not have put everything in there that I needed to, but I'm running out of room. I have no choice. Then you gotta ice it down, of course. And I'm gonna add some bitters here. Of course, a classic martini has orange bitters in it. And then just to up the herbaceousness ante a bit, I'm gonna add these are rosemary, grapefruit, and peppercorn bitters. You don't have to do this step. This is just gilding the lily, as it were. I don't know, just to amp up the herb factor.
Herbaceousness.
Herbaceousness. So as you can see, this is spilling all over the counter. Now what I'm gonna do here, again, this is an unnecessary step, but I'm gonna do it anyway because it's fun. This is a cocktail strainer, a double strainer. Because there's little bits of rosemary in there, and I want to have this a nice, clear, crystal clear drink, I'm going to use this just in case to see it's catching catching little bits of rosemary so they don't get in the glass and get in your teeth when you're drinking your martini. We're going to garnish with a rosemary sprig. And you know what? Because I feel like it, and I got a lemon sitting here, I'm gonna garnish it with a lemon twist as well.